there everyone, this is Melissa from DJ Event Planner. Today we're covering the changelog topics from July 6th through July 27th, 2020. To begin, we will look at the features that have been added with this update. First, go to Setup, Application, Employee Settings, Permissions. We have added a new setting that allows only the primary assigned employee the ability to view other assigned employees. If you have SMS notifications turned on for incoming SMS messages, there will now be a link included in the SMS message which will allow you to log in directly to DJEP to reply. Upon login, the system will automatically open the reply window for you to respond. Previously, the link just took you to your SMS hub, where you would have to scroll through your SMS messages to find the correct one. For website tools, we have added a new feature to check your IP and browser status for the blacklist checker. This can be found by going to Website Tools, Help FAQ. Under the Request for Information heading, look for the topic, Is my IP address being blocked? Also, for the Request for Information and contact forms, we have added the ability to break out of frames when the form is submitted. Go to Website Tools, Request Information Form or Contact Form, then Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of that page and you can check Enable Breakout of Frames. You will need to get fresh code after enabling this setting. This is primarily used for people whose website editors put our code into iframes, such as Wix, for an example. Also under Website Tools, Styling Options, Buttons tab. You'll see that we've added the ability to style the buttons used on website tools. For merge tags, we have added two new event-based merge tags for equipment list tables, Equipment List Table 3 and Equipment List Table 4. If you preview this document, you will see the differences between the two tables. For employee permissions, we have added a setting to allow employees to update their own outgoing mail server settings. You can enable this feature by going here, Setup, Application, Employees, Features. Their email must be verified in order for them to update their own server settings. In the Event Details page, we have added a link to the Request for Information inbox message on the Booking tab under Important Dates section. When a request for information comes into your inbox and you add the event to your system, go to the Booking tab and under Important Dates, look for Request for Information. If you click on the View Inbox message, a new page will open to the original message. This is very useful in case you want to reference information that has maybe been changed within the event. Next, go to Event Planning, Timelines. Timeline names are now merge tag enabled, as you can see here on our sample timeline name. We have added the merge tag for event type. When you use this timeline in an event, navigate to the Planning tab within that event and click on the timeline accordion. Once you view the timeline, it will show the name with the correct event type for this event. Now on to the changes that have taken place in this time period. Go to Setup, Packages or Add-ons, Add New or View and Edit an existing package or add-on, then go to the Assigned Equipment tab. You can no longer assign standalone equipment to packages or add-ons if the standalone equipment is assigned to a system. You will see the available equipment options on this page. Email settings now display a warning message about configuring external mail server settings for all employees instead of just administrators and salespeople. Also, we will only include results where the email has been verified, as unverified email accounts can't send emails in the first place. Next, go to an event in your account. On the Compose email page, the document drop-downs for the e-signature link and attachment features now adhere to the document visibility settings based on event type and event status. In Booking Helpers, it is now possible to save no options for the event status setting. Adding a new booking helper, the event status will be blank, and you can leave it blank, or you can use the drop-down menu to choose which event status you would like to use. We have added the following merge tag, event location name, for the venue name. Previously, only event location worked for the venue name. And our final changes were some CSS tweaks to the event report and edit income record pages. And finally, here are the items that were fixed during this update, July 6th through July 27th, 2020. As always, you can find the latest updates to our change log by logging into your DJ Event Planner account and clicking on the Support Options button on the left-hand menu. You can now view the change log in full window view by clicking on View the Change Log option.